We're asked to figure out the central angle of theta and the arc length on two concentric circles. And so I'm just going to do one so you guys kind of get the idea. Concentric circle means that there's one circle and then there's another circle. Well, let me see if I can get it to where you guys can see it. So you have like two circles, okay, and they kind of share the same angle, all right? So you have one angle theta, and you got to find theta. So basically, well, not in every case, in this case, but you got to find. We have theta. We have the first radius, which would probably be the shorter radius. So this shorter radius. 1, let me erase all this so we can make it a little cleaner. So the first radius is R1. And then the second radius is a little bit longer. We would call that R2, right? No, wait, we're keeping everything together. So that will be R2. And then those are going to be on the same angle theta. And then there's corresponding S values. So like this would be the arc length S sub 1. And then this will be the arc length here, from here to here, S sub 2. So these are the two arc lengths. All right, and what they want us to do is find all these. Now, and we'll do...
Please excuse this interruption at this time. With the 10th graders, please go over to church for session. 10th graders. Okay, so what they want us to do is figure out what theta is, and then find out, fill in the blanks. So they give us stuff like this. They'll say that this is 11 centimeters, and then the arc length is 9 centimeters. All right, and then they tell us the radius. The bigger radius is 44 centimeters. And then we have to find both. Now the relationship between the two is that the arc length is equal to the radius times theta. Now, if you want it to work backwards, and it has to be in radians, right? So if for example, if I were to do this, I would say that S sub 1, which is 9, is equal to 11 times theta. So to solve for theta, I'm going to divide both sides by 11, and I get theta is equal to 9/11ths. Well, it's 9/11ths radians, right? Does that make sense? Now to find S sub 2, which I'm going to do in a different color, to find S sub 2, I take the second radius, which is 44, and I multiply that by my 9/11ths, which is theta, right? So the 4 and the 11 cancel, and I get 4 over 1, so I get 36. Do you guys see how that works?